things we've gone through, though it's hurting me, now it's history. I played all my cards, and that's what you've done through. Nothing more to say, no more ace to play. The winner takes it all, the loser standing small beside a victory. That's our destiny. I was in your arms, thinking I belonged there. I figure it made sense, building me a fence, building me a home, thinking I'd be stronger, but I was a fool, playing by the rules. The judge made through the eyes, their mind just closed eyes, and someone way down here loses someone there. The winner takes it all, the loser has to fall. It's simply unexplained. Why should I complain? But tell me, does she kiss like I used to kiss you? Does it feel the same when she calls your name? Someone deep inside, you must know I miss you, but what can I say? Rose must be obeyed. The judges will decide, the likes of me abide. Spectators of the show always stay in love. The game is on again, a lover or a friend, a big thing or a small, the winner takes it all. I don't wanna talk if it makes you feel sad, and I understand you've come to shake my hand. I apologize if it makes you feel bad seeing me so tense, no self-confidence. The winner takes it all, the winner